The civil authorities have issued a shelter-in-place warning for the following counties or areas: Montgomery, VA, Roanoke, VA, Roanoke City, VA, beginning at 8:57 p.m. Tuesday, October 19th and ending at 1:40 a.m. Wednesday, October 20th. Message from WTVF-FM. Mandatory shelter-in-place order in effect. At 8:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, the public has reported that the moon has become a bright orange color with the shape of a pumpkin face on the front of the moon. There has also been additional reports of tree entities with a very scary face resembling jack-o'-lanterns, and a jack-o'-lantern wearing a cloak, with additional reports of violent attacks of vicious weaponry, and disturbing reports of people's skin being melted off and bones exposed afterwards. The jack-o'-lantern entity is holding two swords with its vines, and the tree entity is attacking residents by summoning wooden spikes that are set on fire, and can breathe out fire. It is unknown of where these entities came from, but all residents hearing this message should shelter in place immediately. Bring food, water, medical supplies, a flashlight, and a fully charged portable radio. These entities are causing major damage to the towns of Roanoke and Blacksburg. Repeating, a mandatory shelter-in-place order is in effect. Shelter in place now to protect your life.